540 Parrot, front door, lobby, couple offices, another office here, up front, and then we're going to go towards the back. Down this hallway you've got the two restrooms, men's and a women's. Then you come into the break room. Got the sink. Building is not sprinkled. Little cubby area. So now going out to the warehouse area. So probably about 14-foot clear height or so. Another office back over here. Small office. That's the lunchroom we just came through. And then just open warehouse space. This is the front roll-up door that actually faces onto Parrot Street. So the building does not run along Parrot, it runs away from Parrot. So the back unit is not really a great second unit. It's better suited for a freestanding building, single tenant, but you can make it work, and I'll show you when we go back there. So they've got a lot of machines here. I can't tell how much power. I'm going to try to find the main electrical room.
Giữa lúc mà Úc và Hoa Kỳ đang chỉ trích rất mạnh mẽ về thái độ
And then now we'd be into the back portion. So there's this little area with another office over here, and then you've got the back portion of the space. This is the rear 2,400 feet or whatever it was they quoted on the brochure. A little bit of storage up top. Not much clear height for it though. And then there's a couple rooms over here for another tenant. It could be a little office space. And it does have another restroom. And another roll-up door that goes into the yard area.